Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen. Are you tired of the same steamed clams? Want to kick up a notch? Here's a simple recipe to spicy things up. First, we're going to soak the clams in clean water for at least 2 hours to let them spit out the sand. Then we're going to clean the outside by brushing them. Beside the clams, we're going to cut a few slices of ginger and then slice them into strings. Then roughly chop up about 5 to 6 garlics. We're going to use some red and green chilies and just cut them into small pieces. And also 2 scallions chopped into inch-long pieces. For cooking, we are going to heat up the wok first. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Add the ginger and scallion first. Then the garlic and chili. Stir these for a few seconds to get the flavor out. Then we can add the clams. Stir fry everything together for a few seconds. Then add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and about 1/4 cup of cooking wine. Then put on the lid and let the clams cook for about 2 minutes. Fresh clams should be opened up after 2 to 3 minutes of cooking, otherwise it could be dead clam. You may also see a lot of extra liquid now, like I do. That's because fresh clams likes to hold water within the shells. You can remove some of the liquid or keep them all in. Add a little bit of sugar to balance the spicy flavor. If you decided to keep the liquid, you can dissolve some cornstarch in cold water to thicken the sauce. Don't overcook the clams. I hope this simple recipe can help you spicy up how you cook the clams. Thank you for watching. See you next time.